you know, today is not an EC video. It's a bike check. This is a 2015 Dan Conway Fit. This is a Fit Dan Conway 2015 signature. We're gonna get this a little bike check to get every part on it. First we're gonna start with the pedals. Odyssey Twisted Pro Pepper. Odyssey pedals. So it's that side. So yeah. I think these are 165mm cranks. 170. Yeah, these are 170mm cranks. Fit Bike Co. 25 tooth sprocket. Fit TA tires. Fit TA tires, which came with the original, came with the bike. I already put air in the tires, and it runs smooth. It's just a little dirty. Just a raw camo color, not raw camo, raw green. The rims are green, black spokes. Fit Bike Co. all rims, green rims, and Fit Bike Co. cassette. If you guys want to hear it, you can. That's what it sounds like. Here you go. Fit Bike Co. Hold on. Fit sticker, Fit Bike Co. sticker, Fit Bike Co. stem, Fit Dan Conway bars, Fit Dan Conway grips and headsets, normal Fit Bike Co. If you want to hear the full cassette. Hold on. Stand my phone up, maybe. That'd be nice. Or no, hold on. There we go. Sounds okay. Let me bring it somewhere. Oh no. There we go. This is just a quick bike check. By the way, this is my bike. Framed Impact BMX with replaced tires. My old tires were crap. By the way, this is the motorbike. As a project me and my dad did. I've never rode it yet. And this summer I probably will and get a full ride of it. Battery's dead on it. Everything. It's been sitting here and it's been sitting in the shed for a while. So is this bike. I really don't use this bike as much. Although the cassette on this is really quiet for some reason, it needs to be loud. So yeah, 2015 Fit Conway, aka Dan Conway's signature. I have a signature bike at my house, which is a Fit Benny Lewis. Yeah, Benny Lewis. Which overall, this is a no, I can't explain the price. But overall, this is a really good bike. It's even got stickers on it, or even got the sticker on Dan Conway. This bike is over 4, 5, 6 years old. Because the original year is 2015, and then this is the only year. Yeah, and if this bike goes to me, I'll probably get a Tom Dugan one. This is a different variation of this one. Cassette sounds awesome in this. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, Fit Bike Co. pivotal seat and a normal pivotal seat. Seat post and brakes. Overall, it's kind of dirty, and I just rode it. It never gets used. Never gets used. This is the original rim to it. And leave it. Overall, I think I could probably clean that out. Yeah, it's actually possible. Both rims need to be cleaned out. Even though it was a little it was a little used, but this isn't really my bike. Even though I am a big fan of the tires on it. Everything on it is pretty okay, but except for the rust that's on the bike. Grips are worn out. Like, I don't know what these grips are called. Lego? Or they're Fit by Co's. I don't know what these grips are called, but if I ever get this bike, I might change them out to like green ones, because it matches for the bike. These grips are not worn. These grips aren't worn out, but I really want to change them out because of these. I'm not a big fan of them. Air conditioners are overall still here. Everything's okay. It's just bad weather and cold weather. What? Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. See you next time. Bye bye.